Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the MoKo laptop sleeve fit MacBook Pro 16 inches out of 2019 with PU leather envelope case for MacBook Pro 15 inches. It is water resistant and it is a notebook bag with document pocket and built-in card slot. And in my case, it's a brown version. You can also order it in black, or in rosé gold, or in pink gray marble, or in pink gray marble too, with different sizes. For example, it is available in 10 up to 11 inches, 12 inches, 12.3 inches, 12.9 inches, 13 inches, 13.3 inches, 13.5 inches, and mine here is 15.4 inches. It's designed especially for Apple MacBook Pro 15.4 inches out of 2019, MacBook Pro 15 inches out of 18, 17, 16, and 2015, MacBook Pro 16 inches from 2019 laptop with Retina Display. This will match in this high quality bag here. It has a built-in card slot. It's ideal for storage of small items such as postcards, credit cards, bank cards, and so many more. For USB sticks too, mobile hard disk, keys, etc. It has a magnetic seal. If you're closing it, it will keep our tablet secured in place. It is slim and lightweight. It does not bulk our laptop up, and it is easy slide it into our cases, backpacks, or other bags. This portable and fashionable bag is just perfect for carrying our laptops when we're going to school, to work, or to vacation. Our laptops is really needs one because it looks high jetting, nice, really nice it looks. We have a premium PU leather exterior and soft felt interior to protect our precious PCs from accidental scratches. And it's so easy to handle, as you can see. It's compatible with custom design for our precious Apple MacBooks, for example, or I will show you here in my Apple iPad Pro. And if you have two of them, that means you have a MacBook Pro, for example, or a MacBook. Place the MacBook in the main area in the center, underneath the magnetic field, and the iPad Pro you can store at the opposite side. That means here you can use two devices in one case, and it's so slim. It's really slim. And it's fashionable because it is made of nice, high quality mattress. Inside you have a soft suit, and outside you have a durable PU leather exterior. And it feels nice, and it has a large pocket inside to get your iPad Pro in position. And the magnetic close is really awesome. The magnetic flap keeps the case securely shut to prevent damage of our devices. And it looks really beautiful. Oh yeah, this is the MoKo laptop sleeve fit. This bag will have place for two iPads or one laptop plus one iPad, and it looks really nice, as you can see. It's available in different colors and it's available in different sizes. I choose the 15.4 inches. You can also buy the smaller inches, for example. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.